I'm Rakesh Kumar, and today I'm going to share how to solve the optimization related problem using Excel Solver. Alright, so let's start. I have a sheet here, okay, which is having data uh, products. So I have got 10 different products here, for example, and I have got purchase cost. I have also got the quantity that we have in stock. I have got sales cost, and then this is the quantity which I want to sell. Okay, so let me name it target quantity to be little clear. I have got amount here, which is basically calculated, like sales cost multiplied by quantity, and then I have margin as well, which is basically purchase cost, sales cost minus purchase cost multiplied by the target quantity. So that it is. This is the sheet we have. So what I'm gonna do is, for now, I'm going to delete the target quantity because I want solver to decide the quantity. Well, the target here is to suppose maximize, okay, maximize the margin. All right. So, well, now I'm going to data tab. Solver is here. Okay. If it is not already been enabled, you can go to file, options, and then add-ins is there, and you can activate it from here. You need to go to manage add-ins here, and you can tick mark here. Okay, so I have already ticked, so it's there. All right, fair enough. My objective is to maximize the margin by allocating the appropriate quantity for different products. All right. So what I'm going to do is, I'm already in data tab. I'll go to solver. All right. So there is a model here already built in. So what I'll go do is, I will reset all, so that I can show everything from scratch to all of you. Yeah. So that's better. Now everything is blank. So what I'll do is, I'll set objective. So I'll set target. So my target is this cell. So this is basically sum of all these cells, that is I4 to I30. All right. And what I want to do is, I want to maximize the margin. Okay. Well, by changing cells. So this is my target quantity. I want to allocate the quantity, correctly or appropriately, that maximize the margin here product wise. All right. So I am done. Okay. So fine, let's solve it for a while. Okay, I'm going to solve this. So well, since okay, so now it has solved, and it has already allocated maximum possible margin product wise, and it has given a very huge quantity. If you look at here, it will come in millions, right? Well, now let's delete it for a while. I just don't want this. What I want is, I want to add a constraint. Okay, and the constraint is, I want that the cell quantity, that is target quantity, should be less than or equal to the stock that we have. Okay, so if you don't have a stock, you know putting any numbers in target quantity that maximize the margin doesn't make sense. So that's why adding a constraint here. Okay, I'm done. Now let's solve this. Okay, everything is fine. Now you look, it looks to be realistic. So since we set the objective as maximize the margin, what it has done is it has, look at here, 3880 numbers are in stock. Okay, and the target quantity is also coming to be the same, right? And the total margin is coming to be 2041 rupees. Similarly, if I put minimize the margin, suppose if you are a buyer and you want to buy the products, okay, then you would obviously want that the margin should be lesser. Okay, for example, it may not be practical, but let's do this for example. Okay, so I want to minimize the margin overall. Okay, and so on. So what it has done is make the margin to 0. Okay, make the margin to 0 and set the quantity 0. Okay, so that's how. Well, I want to make it to some value. So suppose I want my margin to be 1500. Okay, and so on. Okay, it has exactly make the margin to be 1500 and allocated the quantity differently. So that's what it is, and that's how it works. You can solve the large numbers of problem using Excel solver. So it has basically got limit of I think 200 variables that is only allowed in embedded Excel solver. But there are other way arounds through which the large number of linear and non-linear problems can be solved. If you are liking this video, please do share in comments. And if you are having a challenge or I should say optimization challenge wherein you are looking for more than to solve the problem for more than 200 variables, I have got another way around through which those problems can also be solved. So please feel free to share your views in comments. Okay, thank you very much for your time.